French Rafale intercept Russian Su-30 SM fighter jet. French Rafale fighter jet deployed to Lithuania under NATO's Baltic Air Policing mission were scrambled 4 times in a single week, intercepting and escorting 6 Russian military aircraft near the airspace of the Baltic states, France's Armed Force General Staff said. The sortie were carried out as part of France's current rotation at Joliet Air Base, where French crews are supporting NATO's standing air defense mission over Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. Video released by the French military show Rafale escorting a Russian Il-20M electronic intelligence aircraft and a Su-30 SM fighter operating near allied airspace. The intercept were conducted in coordination with other NATO forces assigned to the mission. French officials said the flight are part of the alliance's continued effort to protect Europe's eastern flank and maintain quick reaction alert coverage over the Baltic region. One of the aircraft identified during the recent scramble was the Il-20M, a Russian signal intelligence platform used for electronic surveillance mission. The aircraft is equipped to collect radar emission, communication traffic, and other electronic signature, making it a frequent focus of NATO monitoring flight near the alliance's borders. Open source analyst at Ozin Warfare said the aircraft appeared to be armed with 2 Kh-31 PRPM anti-radiation missile, weapon typically used to target radar system and surface-based air defense. French Rafale involved in the mission reportedly used the Thales Talio targeting and laser designation pod during the intercept. Although commonly associated with strike mission, the pod also gives pilots high-resolution long-range visual identification capability, allowing crews to confirm aircraft type and visible weapon load from a safer distance. That added visual reach is particularly useful during Baltic air policing operation, where the primary task is to identify and monitor military aircraft flying close to NATO airspace. France took over the current Baltic air policing rotation at the end of March, deploying 4 Rafale fighter and about 100 personnel to Lithuania. From there, the aircraft remain on round-the-clock alert, ready to launch on short notice whenever unidentified or military aircraft approach the region. The NATO mission has been in place since 2004, when Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia joined the alliance without their own dedicated fighter fleets. Allied nations have since rotated aircraft detachment through the Baltic states to provide continued air defense coverage. No hostile incident or airspace violation was reported during the latest French scramble. Still, for launch in 1 week point to the continued pace of Russian military aviation activity over the Baltic Sea and the Alliance's constant response posture in the region.